It's Christmas in July! Let's talk Christmas crochet patterns. Today, reindeer. Crochet. Welcome back to Christmas in July. Today we're going to talk about reindeer. All the patterns that we're going to talk about today are absolutely free. So let's take a look to find your favorite. This one has a cool... this one has some cool trousers and stripy shirt, and I like the bow tie. And look at these little details, snowflake details on feet and hands. This is a more realistic looking one, so cute. I like the way the legs are shaped, and the little tail is absolutely adorable. Here's a cute little one to hang on your Christmas tree or on your bag, or to just give away as a cute little present. I have to say, this is one of my favorites. It just makes me so happy looking at his little face. He has such a funny face, and look at this little bell. It's adorable. Here's this boxy square one for all the Minecraft lovers. I mean, how can you have a Minecraft Christmas without a square Minecraft reindeer? I really like this one. I really like this reindeer in his Santa suit. I actually tried this pattern once, and it's a great pattern, and it comes out really well. I will show the result in a different video, but it's a very fun pattern. Oh, this is such a cutie pie. Look at him with his little glinty eyes and glinty nose, and he even has little toes. This is a reindeer hanger for in your Christmas tree or on a Christmas wreath or wherever you want it, on your as a key ring. Look at his little face, it's so fun. I like the little detail on his feet here. He is made with a yarn with a little speckle in it. It gives a great effect. Simple, straightforward, very effective, very nice. And these happy fellas are reindeer sitters, I think. I like the little dangly legs. They're adorable. Merry Christmas indeed. Traditional, cute, so much fun. And these are fun as well with the big bells and happy smiles. Look at those, look at those grins. This is one of my favorites. I actually, well, not this one, but I made one for my sister-in-law, and it turned out quite well. This is quite a thing, you know. Making the pattern within the pattern is requires great handling of yarn. Trying not to get two skeins intertwined is quite a feat. But I like it's not very difficult, and once you get past the sweater, it works up very quickly. It's a great pattern, and if you make it very large, you can have a nice pillow. That's it for the reindeer today. Remember, they're all free. The link to the patterns is in the description below, and I hope to see you again for more Christmas in July.